Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas. Today we have an update on IndusIndBK. Our analyst maintains buy rating on IndusIndBK with a price target of Rs 1650. Bank reported steady inline performance in Q1 of FY24 with solid 32% year-on-year earnings growth, led by 13% operating profit growth and 21% year-on-year decline in provisions. The bank reported healthy return ratios of 1.9% ROA and 15.3% ROE. Asset quality trends remain stable. Strong loans growth momentum and lower credit cost is likely to support the earnings growth, and this should keep ROEs at 15% in near term. We believe NIMs have lever for improvement in second half of FY24 through asset mix, thereby improving return ratio as cost of fund is expected to peak out in first half of 24. The stock has outperformed the broader indices in last 1 year, and it currently trades at 1.7 times FY24 estimated core book value and 1.5 times its FY25 estimated core book value estimates. Valuations are reasonable. Next on radar is CAPLIPOINT. Since Caplin Steroids Limited US, which is the arm that sells injectables and ophthalmic medicines, is projected to see good growth, the analyst has a bullish outlook on CAPLIPOINT Labs with an upside potential of about 8%. While it has been increasing market share for most of those productions in the US, the segment has a solid order book of Rs 230 to 240 crore for FY24 earnings, which is likely to fuel 50% year-on-year growth for the segment in FY24. On the operating profitability front, the results for CAPLIPOINT Labs for FY23 were in line with the estimates, but they somewhat underperformed in terms of sales and adjusted net income. Nevertheless, the analyst anticipates it to record increase in sales and earnings at 15.7% and 10.8% respectively over FY23 to FY24 earnings, thanks to anticipated significant expansion in the US, along with existing market in LATAM and Francophone Africa, increasing product registration in other more recent markets like Canada, Australia, China, Russia, CIS, Mexico and Brazil, as well as additional capacity for Caplin steroids product API is likely to ensure backward integration and should aid in achieving the expected earnings growth. The stock is trading at 15.8 times its estimated FY24 EPS and 13.9 times its estimated FY25 EPS, which is significantly less than the current level at which the peer group trades, indicating favorable risk-reward ratio for the stock. For more detailed disclosures and disclaimers, please refer to our research report or contact our nearest branch. Please read the risk disclosure document issued by SEBI and relevant exchanges and terms and conditions on sharekhan.com before investing.
Thank you for watching. To keep up with the latest from Sharekhan, make sure you subscribe to our channel. You can also download the Sharekhan app for all your trading and investing needs. Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.